When you focus on you, you grow. When you focus on shit, it grows. Successful people have libraries. The rest have big screen TVs. One day, you'll wake up and there won't be any more time to do the things you've always wanted to do. Do it now. Nobody who ever gave his best regretted it. People do not decide their futures, they decide their habits, and their habits decide their futures. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Do not spoil what you have by desiring what you haven't. Remember that what you have now was once among the things you only hoped for. Pleasures, when they go beyond a certain limit, are but punishments. The mind that is anxious about future events is miserable. If the money we donate helps one child or can ease the pain of one parent, those funds are well spent. When a man says money can do anything, that settles it, he hasn't got any. Money doesn't buy you happiness, but lack of money certainly buys you misery. The man who doesn't read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. No matter how many mistakes you make or how slow you progress, you're still way ahead of everyone who isn't trying. Choose a job that you like, and you will never have to work a day in your life. Most people die at 25 and aren't buried until they're 75. If I had 8 hours to chop down a tree, I would spend 6 hours sharpening my axe. A champion is someone who gets up when he cannot. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. What one does is what counts, not what one had the intention of doing.